Okay, I'm venturing out into the snow, which is falling at a good rate of snow. Look at our street. Look at our house. It's awfully snowy up here on Gate Hill Road. Hope you're fine where you are. Here we are on Potanovic Road. Used to be called Gate Hill Road. Looking up into the park. Nobody's really on the road. The snow is still pretty thick on the road. They really haven't plowed recently. Here comes the snowplow coming up the road, up Gate Hill Road. I've got some snow shoveling to do. Oh no, where's my shovel?